Good morning to all. Welcome to all in online science class. All of you get ready with science book. In previous classes, we have started chapter 2, plants around us. We have studied about different parts of the plant. Then after, we have studied about trees. As we know that very big plants are called trees like mango, banyan, coconut. Then after we studied about shrubs which look like bushes with many branches. Rose, bougainvillea, cotton, China rose are the examples of shrubs. Then after herbs. Herbs are generally small in size and grow in particular season. Tomato, mint, ladyfinger are the examples of herbs. Now we will know about climbers and creepers. Climber plants have weak and soft stem. They need support to stand and grow straight. Creeper plants have soft green stem. They grow along the ground. Morning glory, grapevine, pea plant, money plant, jasmine are the examples of climbers. Pumpkin, ash gourd, watermelon, muskmelon are the examples of creepers. Once again, today we will continue chapter 2, plants around us. In previous classes, we have studied about the parts of plant like leaf, root, branch, flower, bud, stem and root. We have also studied its function. Then after classification of plants, trees, shrubs, then after herbs. Now today we will know about climbers and creepers. Some plants have very weak and thin stems. They cannot stand and grow straight on their own. Means without support, climbers cannot stand and grow because the stem of climbers are very weak and thin. That's why there is need of support to climb up. These plants are called climbers. Pea plant, grapevine and money plant. These are the example of climbers. They have need to support to climb up because their stem are very weak and thin. Next, creepers. Creep means grow or spread in such a way as to cover. Some plants creep on the ground and spread their branches on the ground itself. They also have thin and weak stems. We call them creepers. Some plants creep on the ground and spread their branches on the ground itself. They also have thin and weak stem. The stem of climbers and creepers both are weak and stem, but there is need to climbers to climb up, need of support to climb up, and the stem of creepers spread their branches on the ground itself like this. They also have thin and weak stems. We call them creepers. Watermelon, pumpkin, cucumber, strawberry, bitter gourd, muskmelon and grass are some of the creepers. Keywords. Absorb means suck or take in. Creep means grow or spread in such a way as to cover. Particular means specific. Several means many. That's all for this chapter, plants. Have a beautiful day to all.